Hi guys, this is Ekene Thank God here, and in this short video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to borrow money from 1xbet to play bets, like a kind of an advanced bet where you can borrow money from 1xbet, play bet, and then pay them back from your gain. So without wasting much of your time, um, let's go to the 1xbet app so I can show you how it's done. Just go into your, make sure you use the app because I don't think this will work on the website. So okay, let me look for the booking code now so I can show you guys. Okay, for example, now let me just take this one. So just click on the bet slip and click on load bet slip, and then this is the booking code. Then upload. Now, as you can see, is 1,000 to pay 8,600 naira, and my balance is 0.07 naira. It's not up to an amount, so I want to borrow money from SwatiBet to complete this bet. So right here you can see available advanced bet. Just click on request and it will load. Okay, wait. As you can see, this is my available advanced bet balance now, 1,250. So if I click on this 1,000 naira now, I will be able to bet it without so I've already done one before, so I'm waiting for the outcome so I can do the second one. So this is it, very simple. You can okay, let me check. 1,250 to pay 10,000 naira. Look at my available advanced bets now. You can just click on bet here and then use it to bet. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.